Good evening, everyone. I have already given you a video on how to download Scratch, the version of the Scratch which I have already told is this version. You can see this is version 1.4. Yes, I have also given a version of Scratch version 2, and now today I will be telling you of the version 3, as someone has told me, sir, please tell us how to download version 3. So this version 3, whatever you do, your main thing is a Play Store. Okay, so if you can go in the Play Store, if you are doing in the Android particular um, mobile, you'll go to the Play Store and do it. And if you are in the desktop, normally everyone has a desktop, so you can use it in the desktop also. So what you actually do is that you go to the Google. Okay, so you come over here, there is a Google search engine is there, and over here you will type out Scratch. Okay, Scratch, there is 2.2 is version is there, so you make it 3 because I want to show you 3. So you make it over here, Scratch, one space and 3. The version is 3.0, free download. You go to the free download, you see you can get it from 3 for Android also. Okay, Mac also, so in laptop also. Okay, so everything in iPad also, so like this you will get it. So according to your particular environment you will do it. So over here I am doing for the desktop, so I go in for the Scratch 3.0 version download. Okay, and this is the desktop, so I just click on there. I get that a Scratch offline editor, that is Scratch version 3, desktop is there. Okay, and I click over here. Yes, what I do is I click over here and I find that slowly my internet should be on, and you find over here this Windows 10 is there, Android is there, the requirements are given over here. All the requirements are given over here, so you can see very well the requirement. First of all, it's telling it's Windows 10. So if you are having Windows 10, then you can easily do it. Okay, and so for over here you can download. Yeah, you can download, there is no problem. So install Scratch app for Windows is there. Okay, choose an operating system, Windows. If you do over here, you come down, you see other older versions also, that is 2 and 1.4 is there. So 2 from here you can do 2, and if you really want to download from 3, then you just click on direct download. So once you click on download, you will find that the version of Scratch is been downloaded, and you find that over here in the left hand side down, Scratch 3.20.0 setup exe is been downloaded, and the time so it is the latest version. Okay, and you can find that 7 seconds left. Like this it will count and it will end. Okay, and tell you that it is no time left, so you can click over here and you can open when done. So as you do open when done, you will find that your particular file is there, and you have to run that file. So you click on this run over here. So once you give one run, you can minimize this one so that you can see the desktop, and then only for this is given, or anyone who uses the computer, I give for all users. I can give it for anyone, all users, and I can give over here install. So once I give install, you will find that it will ask me that do you want to allow the following program to make the changes in this computer. If I tell yes, then it will make the changes and slowly it will download. So on top it will be written Scratch 3 setup and installing. So please wait while Scratch 3 is being installed. So slowly you can very well understand that slowly by slowly this particular over here you can see it's increasing. Okay, so once it is completing, so it tells you that your thing is complete, and then these buttons will be highlighted. Okay, so now these buttons are not highlighted, means it is been downloaded. Now completing Scratch 3 setup. So once it is complete, we can give run. We already by default it is ticked out. Okay, and Scratch 3 has been installed on your computer. Click finish to close setup. So you just click finish to close the setup, and you will see slowly the thing works, and you will look at the particular thing. The Scratch 3 has been downloaded and it is opening, and this is Scratch 3.2 3.24.0, which always you tell as scratch. So once it is come, the scratch you'll find over here, there's a button over here, and it's telling that the scratch team is always looking to better understanding how scratch is used around the world. To help support this effort, you can allow scratch to automatically send usage listings are there, and you will find the screen is there. So once you click on over here, this is a policy, you find the policy over here. So you have to do either of the ticks over here: share my usage data with the scratch team, or do not share the usage data with your team. So if you don't want to share your thing, you can click here, do not share my usage data with the scratch team, and you click over here to close. Once you click the close, you can very well understand, you can increase this one, and you can see very well that maximize button, your scratch 3 as you tell, and the latest version 3.24.0 is operative. That means you can operate. So you know how to operate. I have told you how to operate. So scratch 3 is there on your screen, and you now you can use, see how you can use. I tell you once more. So the screen is open. So over here, if you go and click over here, this version, you see you can choose the sprite. See how nicely all the options are there. You can click anywhere. Okay, you can take a ball. Yes, you can take a ball, and you can see that the particular ball, this particular yes, ball that can be played. You can make a design also. You can go over here to choose the backdrop. Yes, choose a backdrop, and you also can choose anywhere that is feasible, or that will be good for. So you can choose anyone from here, and you can click on the particular thing. You can take this one, okay, and or this one, or whichever you like. So if this is good, so you can take this one, and you see that he is playing. So once he kicks the ball, you can choose the ball. Once he clicks the ball, this ball will be going into the net. Yes, okay, so that's it. So hope you know how to install, and you also know how to do the thing. So this is the particular thing. So over here it is there, the ball is over here, and you want to move this ball over here. You go over here and make suppose you can make it 50 steps. Yes, you can make 50 steps, and you click here. So once the green flag is on, you are ready for running the particular thing. So you can indicate the particular move. See, the ball is moving, just see. Yes, okay, thank you. Now the scratch is open on. So I hope that you have understood to download and also use the particular thing, that is scratch 3. Yes, thank you everyone. Hope you like this one, and share to everyone to subscribe, and I will be very much glad to give more tutorials on scratch. Thank you.